Hello my lovelies and welcome back. Today it's my hair recommendations from Sephora. I have hair care and hair tools. Let's jump into it, starting with hair care. I kind of going in order, like how I prep my hair to like washing and then styling. So let's start with the very first one. This is Fable in Maine. This is their Holly Roots hair care. Stronger hair begins with healthy roots. This came into my life early this year, like in the beginning of the year. I started doing this new thing with my hair because I had postpartum hair loss and a lot of it. So I kind of did a lot of research and I discovered this pre-wash hair treatment oil that you do. So it's already November. I've been using it for most of the year. This right here, I focus mostly on the roots. I think I do 2 to 3 drops and I really just like to massage the oil in, but I also sleep with this overnight. That's when I find the best results. And then the rest of my hair, mid-lengths, I'll usually take either like argan oil or different kind of oils that I just get from Amazon. I will say this has a scent to it, but the rest of the ingredients are actually really nice, really gentle on the hair, and I just can't live without this product anymore. I love it, I look forward to it, and I use it once a week. So once a week, pre-wash hair treatment oil that I use this right here on my roots and a little bit on the length of my hair combined with a different oil for that week, either like argan, jojoba oil, things like that. So this is incredible. It's so nice and it smells really nice as well. So after I get out of the shower, one thing I can't live without, and I've mentioned this so many times on my channel, if you're a hair lover like myself, you will probably know what this is. This right here is the Aqua's Hair Turban Towel. This is incredible. Every single time there's a sale at Sephora, I like to pick up at least one for myself just to have as backups. So I love this, especially when I get out of the shower, just to put my hair up, do my makeup, do my hair afterwards. This is so incredible. It's very gentle. It doesn't tug on your hair. It doesn't pull on your hair. And the material, it's not the super soft material, but it is very soft and gentle and it washes really well. So I really enjoy these, but I do like to pick it up, especially during the sale. Moving on to hair care after the shower and then hair care in between washes. So the first one is by Olaplex. This is their number 6. This right here, when I first tried this, I hated it. I used too much for my hair because my hair is fine in texture. So basically this right here is a leave-in treatment after you wash your hair. So it's supposed to eliminate frizz, nourish, and protect your hair. I like to use this on damp hair, and sometimes if I redo my style or I didn't style the same day I washed my hair, I'll use the tiniest, and I mean the tiniest amount of this product right here, and just run it through the mids to the ends of my hair and then style with any kind of heat tool, because I find that it really does just eliminate the frizz. It kind of just revamps my hair the next day after I wash. It's a really great product, and I find that my hair really loves this, and I can't complain that it smells pretty good too. It's very light, but I like this a lot. And like I said, I did have to play with this to really find the right balance for my hair to really enjoy it. So this next one has been in my collection for a while, but I only recently started using it in the past 3 to 4 months. This right here is by Bumble and Bumble, and this is their Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. It's their Heat/UV Protective Primer. You can again use this on damp or dry hair, but I find myself using this on dry hair like the 2nd or 3rd day. Again, if I need to just restyle my hairstyle, if I'm curling, hair straightening, whatever. So what I actually like to use, and they actually suggest it as well, instead of spraying it directly onto your hair, spray it into your palm like 2 to 3 times and kind of work into your hands, into your palms, and then just very gently run it through the ends or the mids to the ends of your hair before styling or before blow drying, whatever. This right here, I find that the overall result, the hair is so soft, it's very silky, it's very shiny, and it smells really good. This product is delicious. This one is definitely a lot more sweeter than the Olaplex number 6, but I do like to use these on different days. I don't like to use them together, if that makes sense, because for my hair type, again, I can't use too much product because then it weighs it down, even if I use the tiniest amount. So this is a great alternative to this right here. This little bad boy, I love him. This is Olaplex number 7 Bonding Oil. It's very tiny, so when you get this in the mail, and you see this, don't freak out. I've had this, I think, for almost a year, and that's how much I've used. And I use this on a weekly basis. A little goes a long way, especially if you have my hair type. Fine, not too much of it. A lot of product can weigh it down. I'm very repetitive in this video, so I make sure you guys get the idea of how much product I use. It's very little because it's so concentrated. This is their bonding oil, and basically what it is, it's a first of its kind, it's highly concentrated, ultra lightweight, reparative styling oil. So it's a heat protectant, it's a UV protection, it has crazy high shine finish, and it's for all hair types, and it's clean at Sephora, which I really appreciate. So what I like to do sometimes is actually use these together at the same time. So when my hair is damp, I'll take a little bit of this and a couple of drops, 2 to 3 drops, very tiny little drops, and I'll mix them together. And I find that when I do this together, my hair just feels, again, so soft. My flyaways, my frizz is tamed, it's eliminated, and my hair just feels and looks really, really great throughout the days that I don't shower until the next hair wash. Also, how I like to use this after styling or like restyling like the second or third day, I like to apply this only to the ends of my hair just to kind of add a little bit of shine back into my life. That's how I like to use this little bad boy. This is a great oil that's super lightweight. It's not gonna weigh down as much as other oils. This is very, very beautiful, and I find that my hair really likes this right here. Okay, so I have 2 dry shampoos. Even though I don't use dry shampoo all the time, I use it very sparingly, especially now that I've been doing different things with my hair and trying to get it to really good health. So the very first one, this is by Verb, and this is their dry shampoo for light hair. I've only tried the light hair because I have light hair. They also have a darker version of this. What I like about this is it's a purple dry shampoo. So it has a purple hue, but it doesn't leave a purple cast on your hair. It somehow magically like brightens your hair, brightens your roots. It kind of gets rid of some of that brassiness tone in between your like hair salon visits. So if you like a purple, a cooler tone to your hair, I think you'll really enjoy this. But what I like about this one in particular is the ingredient. They use rice starch, which to me personally, I really like. It's a lot softer. It's not super, super gritty and just really textured where you can't even run your fingers through your hair. Like your hair still feels pretty clean and soft and fresh instead of having loads of dry shampoo in your hair, but also cleans your hair. So it just helps just absorb that extra oil that you don't need. The second one is by Moroccan Oil, and this is their dry shampoo again for light tones. But it also has a little bit of a purple hue you can see on the cap. But what I like about it is, again, it's the same thing as the Verb. It has the rice starch as one of the main ingredients, so it feels still very soft, clean, cleansed in a way, but it still gives you enough texture where you can create a hairstyle. Out of these two, I honestly kind of like them both. Like equally. This is obviously a bigger bottle, so smaller. This was only 4.5 versus 5.4. It depends on what you're looking for. So moving on to hair tools. I have several of them, and I'm gonna mention the ones that are expensive because this is the perfect time to pick them up to save some money, save some dollars. The first one is the Dyson hair dryer. This is their original hair tool, their hair dryer. We've had ours, I'm saying we, myself and Andre, in our life for years now, and we still enjoy it to this day, and it's still the original one that we got years ago. Still works like perfection, and that's the one that Andre basically claimed ever since I got the air wrap. So it's an Andre side, but I like to use it when I don't really have time to like wait, or I just really want to do like a quick blow dry. That's the hair dryer I will go for. Andre, any words?
Outstanding.
It's outstanding. Let's move on to the next tool that is one of my favorites, and that's the Dyson Airwrap. This right here is very, very, very expensive, but again, it comes with so many attachments, so keep in mind that it's basically 8 different hair tools. So this right here is a hair dryer, but it also styles your hair at the same time. I will say I have the complete package and I use most of the attachments, but I also also wanted to include in this video the new attachments that they recently released. I think maybe like half a year ago, the long barrel attachments. This right here is the 1.2 inch versus the 1.6. This is what they look like. If you have longer hair and those shorter barrels were just not working for you, definitely give these long barrel attachments a try. They're phenomenal. They're so good. And my hair is not even that long. It's definitely long for me. It's definitely a good medium length, but I really like these attachments, the long barrel attachments, for when I do want to style and curl my hair and give my hair a really beautiful blowout. The next attachment that I really love is a smoothing attachment, and then the round brush. I like that one for like these front pieces, or when I just really want to give myself a really nice blowout and when I feel like it. I think that's the correct term, especially right now. I don't feel like doing my hair a lot lately, but this tool, I think it's phenomenal. It's incredible, and it's just, yeah, it's great. The next one is also a Dyson hair tool. This is their Dyson Corral. It's their hair straightener. Stupid expensive, but it has replaced all of my other hair straighteners that I have loved for years, like the Bioionic, the T3, the GHD, and it's just so easy to use because there's no cord, and especially if I'm curling or giving myself a specific hairstyle with this hair tool, just the cord, you just forget that it's not there, and then when you use a hair tool with the cord, it just brings back all those memories of, oh man, I gotta unwind it, it's annoying, whatever. Very expensive, but again, the perfect time to save some money during the sale. Last but not least, one of my favorite tools, this is by T3. This is their Curl ID, their 1.25 inch smart curling iron. They did gift this to me a while back, but I have been using it so many times. It's one of my loves for a curling iron. I like that you can be manual with your settings. You can say what kind of, basically, if your hair is colored, if your hair is thick, if it's thin, things like that. So you can really customize the settings to your hair type to make sure you don't use too much heat on your hair. But I really like this because the barrel, it's nice and long, it's not super short, so you can really get a lot of hair on the barrel to curl and style rather quick. And I also like the clip, it's not too intense, because the other one by T3, it was very sticky and I just never used it. This one, I feel like they really changed and they perfected. I just really like that it does actually hold, my hair holds the curls after I use this for several days, and my hair always feels good. My hair never has that like stinky smell, you know, like burnt hair smell, like hair tool smell. But this is a really, really beautiful tool. T3 has awesome hair tools. So the last two I always pick up during the sale. They're the Slip brand. It's the Slip hair ties, the silk hair ties. I really enjoy these, but these are perfect for like stocking stuffers, and they're so gentle on your hair, but they also keep their shape. They hold your hair, and the best part is they're very, very gentle. And then the other one is the Slip silk pillowcase. I always pick up two during the sale. Not always, but at least once a year I'll pick up two during the sale for myself and Andre, because silk pillowcases, they're very gentle, they're very caring for your face, for your hair, and plus they're very cooling, especially in the summertime, or if you're just a hot sleeper, they're so cooling on your head, on your face, depending which way you sleep. But I think those are really great investments and really great gift ideas for anybody in your life, man or woman. I think they'll enjoy it. But the silk pillowcases, I really, really enjoy. They wash really well. Just make sure you use the right detergent to wash your silk items. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it here, you guys. I didn't want to go too overboard with hair care and hair tools, but I wanted to mention the products that I use all the time and I stand behind, and I think you will enjoy them as well. But for now, thank you for watching, spending time with me, and I'll see the next one very soon. Bye.